How about this neural network that y'all base the technology on? How do you connect that? And that's what I saw when I was playing with it, because when I went into LyricStudio, it started with my writing. And of course, I could have just hit the what the copyright office calls the roulette wheel of AI, right? Just hit the button. That's a winner. And I mean, there's fun parts to do with that. I actually enjoy the randomness sometimes. But what specific design features in LyricStudio embody the philosophy you're talking about?
The goal from the beginning to the end is to have the person be in the driver's seat. And so we have that in our model, but that's sort of behind the scenes. The interface centers on a big empty text box. So you feel immediately invited to write. The interface is telling you, you're writing the lyrics. Here on the side is some help for you. And the help, the way the help is designed, our default mode, is just one line at a time. So if you don't know where to start, you get some suggestions. If you're suddenly stuck, you can always ask it to kind of help you see different possibilities. But then there's a lot of details that users don't necessarily think about right away. The suggestions are divergent. They don't all take you to the same directions. And that's because there is no right way to write your lyrics. It's about entering a vast field of possibilities. And our goal, unlike something like ChatGPT, with all the respect, an amazing product in so many ways, but our goal is not to take you, hold your hand, and walk you to the right location. Our goal is to open your eyes, and then you can see, oh my goodness, there are so many places I can go. Okay, where does my heart take me? And one final piece around here, once in a while, on a regular basis, but not all the time, we can take a person to a place where they say, oh my God, that's exactly how I'm feeling. This line of lyrics, this line, that's exactly what I'm feeling. And that's a power of AI, if done with a certain open mindedness, that is so underutilized right now in other products.